Hey there, welcome! This video will demonstrate how to set up your SIP account to work with CommPeak or third-party soft phones. You will learn where to find your SIP credentials and domain, how to register in the CommPeak Softphone, and how to register in Zoiper. First, you need your SIP account credentials and domain. In your account at my.compeak.com, go to Setup and open the SIP Accounts tab. You will see your username once you click Show on the respective line. If you don't remember your password, click Reset Password, then Proceed, and follow the instructions sent to your mailbox. As a domain, use one of the server names in the Server Status section. Now let's see how to register in the CommPeak Softphone. If you don't have it yet, download and install it for free. Launch the CommPeak Softphone and enter your username, password, and domain. Then click Login and start calling. That's it! Another option is to use the Zoiper softphone. Go to zoiper.com, download the application suitable for your operating system, and install it on your device. When the Start window opens, enter your SIP account credentials. Click Login. Then, enter the sip.compeak.com domain and click Next. Skip the next step. Wait until one of the options is marked in green and click Next. You're all set now. To dial a number, click the dial pad icon. Make sure there is a green check mark next to your username. It shows that you are connected to the network. Thanks for watching, and good luck!